Nakakita ka na ba ng pink grasses? Kung hindi pa, then samahan niyo ako sa ating day 2 itinerary here in Jeju Island. We are here in Hurray or Huiray, I don't know how to pronounce it, at bibili tayo ng ticket para makapasok tayo dito. Pause nyo na lang guys to see the prices. And yes, you can use your credit card for the payment. Pagpasok pa lang natin guys, grabe ang ganda na ng landscape, very serene, at kalma yung lugar. And finally, here are the pink grasses that I'm talking about, pero konti pa lang to guys dahil doon ay mas malaki pa. Hindi natin to pinapansin sa Pilipinas pero dito ginagawang tourist attraction. Sana naman ma-improve yung tourism ng Philippines, no? Anyway, let's go to another big fields of pink grasses and here we are guys. Sobrang laki ng field na to at mas may malaki pa dito kaya hindi pwedeng wala tayong video. Lakad-lakad at feel na feel yung pag-touch ng mga pink grasses. This is really a must to visit when you are coming to Jeju Island. Pero iba-iba daw yung mga tanim dito for different seasons. Sayang nga at hindi season ngayon ng camellia flowers. Sabi nga nila, this is expectation versus the reality kasi nga hindi pa talaga nila flowers ngayon. We paid additional fee for one person only pero lahat naman kami nakapasok for the tangerine picking. Mga tangerines na to na mapipick mo, sa'yo na, pwede mo nang iuwi. At eto naman guys yung famous black pork na ginigrill natin at kinakain na dito lamang sa Jeju Island. Kawawa naman yung mga baboy guys, ako cute pa naman, tapos kinakain lang natin. Anyway, if you really love lavender and purple, this is the best field for you. Sobrang ganda, favorite ko pa naman to color na to. Tingnan nyo guys, ang lapad hanggang dulo. So syempre hindi pwedeng wala tayong video at eme-eme dito guys. And another taller grass of pink grasses, sobrang ganda. Meron din silang greenhouse na specifically lang para sa ganitong mga types of flowers. Ang ganda din guys, grabe. Kulang na lang, sarap mag-pictorial talaga dito eh. For our afternoon itinerary, see you in the next video.